Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the seared steak and herb salsa with roasted potatoes and carrots. Now I do want to say, if you're surprised by my getup, it's very cold in here and I lost the vote for the heater, so I'm currently freezing and almost dead. Alright, that being said, let's get into the nutrition facts. We've got, this is going to take 30 to 40 minutes to prepare and cook. 630 calories, 30 grams of fat, 54 grams of carbs, and 40 grams of protein. And the ingredient list is beef sirloin steak, garlic, cilantro, parsley, carrots, potatoes, a lemon, and some beef stock. So first things first, we are going to wash and cut the potatoes, and then wash and cut the carrots, and we're going to do those both in little french fry sticks. Now, I did already preheat the oven to 450 degrees so we can roast the veggies. Just so you guys know it's already underway. Are cold. Okay. Then it says, in a measuring cup or small bowl, combine beef broth concentrate with 1 cup of warm water. Okay. Then it says, roast potatoes and carrots on a rimmed baking sheet. I have it already here. Toss potatoes and carrots with 1 tablespoon of oil, seasoned with salt and pepper. Just keep them in a single layer. Okay. Then it says, spread into single layer and pour prepared beef broth over top. Shake baking sheet lightly to distribute broth evenly. Roast on top of oven rack until potatoes and carrots are tender and broth is nearly evaporated, 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so let's get this on there. Just move this around so everything has a little bit of broth. And then pop it in the, oh, it's so warm. Oh my God. Okay, pop it in the oven. Top rack. Let's turn on that oven light and then timer. We're gonna go for 15 minutes first, and then if it needs more, we'll leave it for longer. Okay, while that's baking, prep herbs and steaks. Coarsely chopped parsley, cilantro, stems and leaves. Finely chop half a teaspoon of garlic. Pat steaks dry and season all over with salt and pepper. Okay. Okay. Next is cook the steaks. I'm gonna move this out of the way. I'm not using that today. Medium high. Little pan. Okay. So it says heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a medium skillet over medium high until very hot. Okay. So we're gonna let that heat up. While that's heating up, let's make the herb salsa. That is, in a medium bowl, combine chopped herbs, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of oil, and season with salt and pepper. Okay, now let's get back to the steaks. It should be ready. I'm move this, it's getting in the way. Okay. Tongs. Here it says, add steaks and cook turning once until lightly charred, 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium rare. So one of these I'm gonna cook the way it says, and one of these we're gonna go a little bit longer. So let's go 3. Let's see, it's already on. Oh. All right, so I'm gonna finish cooking that. By the time this is done, the veggies will be done. So let's take a break and we'll be right back. Hello. Okay, so steaks are done. This one is medium rare. This one is medium. My son likes medium rare. David doesn't. He likes medium. I like medium well. So I did forget to add an ingredient to the little salsa, which was the garlic, but I already put it in there and mixed it all up. And then the veggies are ready or out of the oven. But the next step for that is switch oven to broil. Broil vegetables until lightly charred around the edges, about 5 minutes. Okay, so once those are done, we're gonna plate it and then we'll start the review. Okay guys, we are back with the final product. You will see a picture in the thumbnail. This is just a taste. So I got a carrot, a potato, and then 2 slices of the steak. One has the salsa, one doesn't. So let's try it. Not sponsored, not sponsored. This one is cherry. Okay. I didn't like it. Well, I mean, not all of it. I didn't like the steak. The steak, it was a little chewy. It was medium. But I don't know if you guys, like red meat eaters, ever have that issue where you can taste the blood or like the iron, I guess. Well, I could taste it and I don't like that. And then the veggies were good. They're crispy on the outside. They're soft on the inside. The carrot is sweet. and the potato's a potato. The only thing is they probably need a little bit more salt and pepper. That's on me. That's my thing. So I'll definitely add that now. The steak with the salsa didn't really taste that much different without it than without it. It did have a little like citrus to it because of the lemon juice, but nothing overwhelming or nothing to change that I could taste the iron. So for me, I would go with a 5 out of 10 for this one. But I am going to have the boys give me their opinions because I know that they're like bigger steak eaters than me and they don't mind that taste, or they don't get that taste from the steak. So I'll go ahead and put what they think in the comments or in the description down below, so you guys just have a read so you can get 2 different or 3 different opinions. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. Please remember to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you're notified when my next video is up. I will see you guys at the next review. Y'all have a good night. Toodaloo.